Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I know what you're thinking, stink bugs. They're pesky, aren't they? But when they unleash that odorous defense mechanism, phew, you're hit with a smell you'd rather forget. But don't worry, today I'm here to share how to get rid of stink bug smell in your home with research-backed, effective methods. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Stink bug smell. It's not your average, everyday bad smell. It's a blend of rotten fruit and, dare I say, moldy old socks. But what makes these bugs smell this bad, huh? Well, the answer lies in chemistry. In a study conducted by Entomology Today back in 2018, they found stink bugs produce a variety of chemicals, notably aldehydes. Picture these as the perfume that gives the stink bug its notorious smell. Now, onto the meaty part, how to get rid of this odor. The first thing you gotta remember is, do not crush them. You might think you're winning the battle, but trust me, you're losing the war on smell. So how should you handle them? This brings us to our first method. Vinegar. This natural disinfectant is your trusty weapon. Grab a spray bottle, fill it with white vinegar, and lightly mist the area where the bug was. It's simple, yet so effective. Remember, don't soak the place, a little mist will do the job. Now, suppose the smell is on your clothes or fabric. Don't worry, it's laundry time. Add a cup of vinegar to your wash cycle. An experiment from the Journal of Environmental Science and Health back in 2010 found vinegar to be a potent neutralizer for a variety of odors. In case the smell has invaded your living room and embedded itself in your precious upholstery or carpet, you'll need baking soda. Sprinkle it over the area, let it sit overnight, then vacuum it up. As per a study done by the American Society of Agronomy in 2017, baking soda absorbs bad odors, making it perfect for this task. If the smell is lingering in the air, we got the old faithful citrus. Oranges, lemons, grapefruits, they're not just good for a refreshing summer drink. They can clear that foul stink bug smell too. Simply boil some peels in water and let the citrusy steam freshen up your space. Why this works? In 2012, the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry stated that the oils in citrus peels actually help to break down the aldehydes, remember those? Causing the stink. So, now you know how to wage war against the stink bug smell, and win. No more letting these tiny critters ruin your day with their malodorous defense. And if you've tried any of these methods, or if you've got a new one, do leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content.